This 5-minute solution will show you how to download and install Fortnite on computer. Follow these easy steps to install Fortnite on your computer. First of all, open your browser and open Epic Games website. And now here you can sign into your Epic Game account. Once done, here you will get this download button. So click on download. And as you can see, the Fortnite Epic Game installer is downloading. Once the installer downloaded successfully, go to your file manager and go to the download folder, and here you will get this Epic installer. Double click on it to launch the installer. Click on install. Once the Epic Games launcher installed, launch it and sign into your Epic Game account using your login credential. Once done, here click on Fortnite, and here you will get the Fortnite. To install it on your computer, all you have to do is just click on Get and follow next steps, and it's totally free. Once it's installed, you will be able to easily play the Fortnite on your computer. So that's it. This is how we can install Fortnite on PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.